When you came to Glover, did you ever think that you would be welding?
No.
This class itself is a class that we call Falcon Time here at Glover. It's a 22-minute, 3-day-a-week class where kids have the opportunity to either get enrichment or intervention depending on how they're doing in classes. And so this particular class, Glover Falcon Welders, is an enrichment opportunity so kids would get the chance to try to do something that they ordinarily otherwise wouldn't have the chance to do.
Ready? Yep. Go. It's all across the board for population, 6th grade through 8th grade, males, females, everybody's interested in it. And they're really approaching it with a good attitude of just trying something new, which is really what you got to do.
I just thought welding would be a fun experience, and Mr. Olson is a great teacher.
We've been learning about tack welding and bead welding. It's great experience.
When I'm done with high school, I would like to go to trade school for welding so that I can make a lot more money and just have more experience with it because my aunt's a welder.
We need to be introducing our kids to trades at an early age.
It's going to rotate, it's going to send sparks back, but I can adjust my guard.
We have tons of kids running around this school that are passionate about building things with their hands. They're passionate about cars. They want to cook. We don't want to wait till our kids are juniors and seniors before they start getting the opportunity to experiment with things that they love. And so we want to try and provide kids tons of opportunities, not just the opportunity to go to a traditional 4 or 2-year college, but also the opportunity to learn more about some of the skilled trades, because we all know that there's like huge demand and high-paying jobs in those areas.
You know, sometimes students are stuck in a classroom and this is their first chance to really go full-on, hands-on skill development on that side, which I think really opens up a chance for kids to see that they've got a skill set that maybe hasn't been discovered yet.